Hey guys, it's me Navin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be seeing what is machine learning. From the word machine learning itself, we can understand that a machine learns something. In earlier days, not that earlier. In earlier days, we were giving commands to the computer and the computer were doing their allotted task. So as the technology develops, we are able to train the computers to solve problems on their own. So making computers learn and solve problems from the past experience is known as machine learning. Now let's see an example for machine learning to know them better. Let's take an apple and an orange. Now our ultimate goal is to make the computer to detect the object whether it is an apple or orange. So for that we make a machine learning model and we load some images in it. Like we load some apple images and name the images as apple and do same to the orange. Now when a new object comes to the computer can recognize and identify the object by observing the pattern of the image and tell whether it is an apple or orange. This is how machine learning works. Now let's see the types of machine learning. Machine learning can be classified into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we have a supervision or vision towards the machine learning algorithm, but whereas in unsupervised learning, there is no supervision for the programmers towards the machine learning algorithm. And reinforcement learning is different and it is not related to both supervised and unsupervised learning. Now let's see about supervised learning. Supervised learning, also known as supervised machine learning, is a subcategory of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It is defined by its use of labeled datasets to train algorithms that to classify data or predict outcomes accurately. The computer adjusts the weight of the given input till the model has been fitted properly. Now let's see about unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, also known as unsupervised machine learning, uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and cluster unlabeled datasets. These algorithms discover hidden patterns or data groupings without the need for human intervention. Its ability to discover similarities and differences in information make it an ideal solution for exploratory data analysis, cross-selling strategies, customer segmentation, and image recognition. Now let's see about reinforcement learning. As I told you earlier, reinforcement learning is not related to supervised or unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is a training of machine learning models to make a sequence of decisions. The agents learn to achieve a goal in an uncertain, potentially complex environment. In reinforcement learning, the computer employs trial and error to come up with a solution to the problem. To get the machine to do what the programmer wants, the artificial intelligence gets either rewards or penalties for the action it performed. Its goal is to maximize their total reward. Let's see an example to know about machine learning much better. Joe has a bunch of iris flowers and he needs to separate them into each type. For those who don't know about iris plant is a gene of 260 to 300 species of flowering plants with showy flowers. They can be categorized by the size of the petals and sepals. As given in the example, Joe has to separate the flowers in different types. So he checks each flower one by one and it takes a long time. But what if Joe has a lot of iris plant? It is hard to separate them, right? So that's where the machine learning comes in. So with the help of programming languages like Python, Java, Julia, R, etc., we can now program the computer to check the dimensions of the flower and segregate them with the help of images of the plant and the given data. For example, a iris flower with a sepal length around 6.4, sepal width around 3.5, petal length around 4.5, and petal width around 1.2 can be classified into the iris versicolor. And versicolor is one of the type in the iris plant. And this is also an example for supervised machine learning. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.